Hi, this is Mike from Revs West in Torquay. Today we've got a Volkswagen Transporter on the workshop. So this is a T5.1. So this vehicle has come in for the DMX7722DABS. So it's a touchscreen, DAB, wireless, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto head unit. I have my phone paired up, as you can see, so we've got Android Auto on the screen. That gives us access to Google Maps. We've also got music streaming, so I've got Spotify. There are other apps you can get on there, so like your YouTube Music, your Amazon Music, etc. There's other navigation apps. Waze is a popular one. We've also fitted a reversing camera. Let me just turn on the ignition. So there's that one there, so that's rear backup camera. This head unit, as I said, also has DAB. It's got FM radio as well and Bluetooth hands-free and audio streaming. There we go.